The RAM usage you're currently seeing is for the original Windows 10, while the RAM usage you're now observing is for a modded version. Although both operating systems are installed on the same 2 GB RAM laptop, but still, there's a significant difference in their performance. This difference is noticeable not only in performance, but also in customization. Means this operating system has been fully customized from the setup page to the mouse cursor. Moreover, the installation process has been made super easy compared to the complicated installation of Windows 10. So now let's move on to the computer screen and I will explain you the rest of the process.
Let's roll.
First, you need to insert the USB drive and open Rufus. Now, you'll drag and drop the ISO file of the OS into Rufus. As soon as you perform this step, this option below will automatically change to GPT. If your partition system is based on GPT, leave it as it is. But if it's MBR, then change it to MBR. Since mine is MBR, I will select MBR. After completing these steps, you simply need to click on the Start button and your USB drive will start becoming bootable. So, the process has been successfully completed here, and it took nearly 30 minutes to finish. Now, I'll restart the PC and record the rest of the process with a hand cam. After restarting the PC, you need to access your PC boot menu and boot from your USB drive. Once your USB drive boots up, you'll see a loading screen, and after that, you'll land directly on the setup page. On this page, this option will already be selected, and you just need to click on this button. After that, you need to choose the partition. If you want to install this OS with the previous Windows, then you need to install this OS in a separate partition. As you saw, the installation started very quickly, and we didn't need to choose any language or accept their license agreement. Now, as soon as this process is complete, your PC will reboot only once, and you'll be redirected to your Windows. This means you don't need to make any settings, and your PC won't restart repeatedly. You'll land directly on Windows. Alright, our Windows has been successfully installed, and you can see how fast it is now. Now, let's talk about its features. Firstly, you'll find some pre-installed applications on the desktop, such as games, power options, extras, and also links to the developer's website and YouTube channel. If you enter this folder, you can further customize your Windows, such as changing wallpapers, customizing desktop shortcuts, and installing additional apps. Additionally, any folder or file you open will also be customized according to your preferences. If you navigate to the C drive, you'll find some additional apps that you can use to further tweak your system. Speaking of performance, at the moment, I'm seeing around 37% RAM usage without the screen recorder, and with the screen recorder, it's around 40 to 44%. Additionally, you can see that CPU usage is also significantly lower. Furthermore, if you right-click on the desktop, you'll find some additional options. For example, you can use the command prompt from here, access the control panel with just one click, and terminate unnecessary background processes with a single click. So, friends, that was the Windows 10 Pheonix version. And to be honest, I liked it more than the Atlas or Revision OS because it provides you with options that you won't find in any other light version of Windows 10. And now, there are even some features that I didn't discuss in the video. It's possible that I might shift to this OS leaving Windows 7 behind. Whether you like this OS or not, do let me know in the comments. And if you're an editor looking for professional video editing software, click on the left video and I'll meet you there.